Let's talk plaque. Today we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, dental plaque. That sticky, colorless film of bacteria on your teeth, that's plaque. If not removed, it hardens into tartar, causes cavities and leads to gum disease. The good news? You can manage it at home with the right habits. These tips are for daily maintenance, not a substitute for your dentist. If you have pain, bleeding gums or lots of tartar, see a professional. Ready to learn how to keep your smile bright? Let's get started. Brushing is the foundation of oral hygiene. It's the single most important habit you can develop for a healthy mouth and a confident smile. But brushing isn't just a routine, it's an art that, when done right, can prevent a host of dental problems before they even start. But are you brushing correctly? It's not just about scrubbing. Many people rush through brushing or use the wrong technique, missing out on the full benefits. Brushing the right way helps remove food particles, bacteria, and plaque that can lead to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Brush twice a day, morning and night, to remove bacteria and plaque. Brushing in the morning clears away the buildup from overnight, while brushing at night removes the day's food debris and bacteria, giving your mouth a fresh start for the next day. Use a fluoride toothpaste to strengthen enamel and fight decay. Fluoride is a mineral that helps repair the early stages of tooth decay and makes your teeth more resistant to acid attacks from plaque bacteria and sugars in your mouth. Choose a soft bristled toothbrush and hold it at a 45-degree angle to your gums. Hard bristles can wear down enamel and irritate your gums, so always opt for soft bristles for a gentle yet effective clean. Use gentle, circular motions. Don't brush too hard or you'll damage your gums. Think of brushing as massaging your teeth and gums, not scrubbing a dirty dish. Gentle circles help dislodge plaque without harming your mouth. Clean all surfaces, outer, inner, and chewing. Don't forget the back teeth and the inside surfaces where plaque loves to hide. Take your time to reach every corner of your mouth. Don't rush, spend at least 2 minutes brushing. Most people brush for less than a minute, but 2 minutes ensures you're giving every tooth the attention it deserves. Electric toothbrushes with timers can help. If not, use your phone's timer. Some electric brushes even alert you when it's time to move to a new section of your mouth, making it easier to brush evenly. Don't forget your tongue. Gently brush it to remove bacteria and freshen breath. The tongue can harbor bacteria that cause bad breath, so a quick, gentle brush is essential for a truly clean mouth. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months, or when bristles fray. A worn-out brush can't clean your teeth properly and may even harbor bacteria. To recap, brush twice daily, use fluoride toothpaste, soft bristles, gentle circles, and clean your tongue. Make brushing a mindful part of your daily routine, not just a quick task to check off. Make this a habit and it'll become second nature. Over time, you'll notice fresher breath, cleaner teeth, and healthier gums. This simple routine is your best defense against plaque. Consistent proper brushing helps prevent cavities, gum disease, and keeps your smile bright. Remember, technique matters more than force. Brushing harder doesn't mean cleaner teeth. In fact, it can do more harm than good. Brushing right keeps your teeth and gums healthy. Your dentist will notice the difference, and so will you. Don't skip the basics. They work. Consistency is key. Make brushing a non-negotiable part of your morning and night. Let's move on to the next essential step. Your smile starts here, and with the right brushing technique, you're already on the path to lifelong oral health. Brushing alone isn't enough. Flossing is essential for a truly clean mouth. While brushing does a great job of cleaning the surfaces of your teeth, it simply can't reach the tight spaces between them or just below the gum line. That's where flossing comes in, acting as your second line of defense against oral health problems. If you skip flossing, you're missing about a third of your tooth surfaces. That's a significant area where food particles and bacteria can hide, leading to plaque buildup and eventually, more serious dental issues. Plaque loves to hide between teeth and under the gum line. These are the spots most vulnerable to decay and gum disease, and they're almost impossible to reach with a toothbrush alone. Flossing removes what your brush can't reach, sweeping away trapped food and sticky plaque before it hardens into tartar. Use about 18 inches of floss, winding most around one finger and the rest on the other. This gives you enough clean floss to use a fresh section for each tooth, reducing the risk of spreading bacteria. Gently guide the floss between teeth, never snap it into your gums. A gentle touch protects your gums from injury and makes flossing more comfortable. Curve it into a C shape, slide below the gum line, and clean each side. This technique hugs the tooth and ensures you're removing plaque from every angle, not just between the teeth. Don't forget the back of your last molars. These teeth are often neglected, but they're just as prone to plaque buildup and cavities as the rest. Use a fresh section of floss for each tooth. This helps prevent transferring bacteria from one area of your mouth to another, keeping your gums healthier. If traditional floss is tricky, try floss picks or a water flosser. These tools can make flossing easier, especially for people with limited dexterity or braces. Water flossers are great for braces or dental work. They use a gentle stream of water to clean between teeth and around appliances, reaching places that string floss sometimes can't. Floss at least once a day, ideally before bed. Nighttime flossing removes the day's buildup and helps your mouth stay clean while you sleep. Flossing before brushing lets fluoride reach more surfaces, giving your teeth extra protection against cavities. Bleeding gums? Stick with it. Bleeding should stop as gums get healthier. If it doesn't, talk to your dentist, as it could be a sign of gum disease. Flossing prevents tartar, cavities, and gum disease. It's one of the simplest ways to protect your smile for years to come. Make it a daily habit for a cleaner, healthier mouth. Consistency is key. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Find a method that works for you and stay consistent. Whether you prefer traditional floss, picks, or a water flosser, the most important thing is to floss every day. Flossing is your secret weapon against hidden plaque. It's a small step that makes a big difference in your oral health. Don't let plaque build up where you can't see it. Regular flossing keeps those hidden areas clean and your gums strong. Your gums will thank you. Healthy gums are the foundation of a beautiful smile and overall well-being. Next, let's talk about mouthwash and how it can further boost your oral hygiene routine. Mouthwash is the final touch in your oral care routine. It reduces bacteria and helps control new plaque formation. Choose a therapeutic or antibacterial mouthwash. Look for the ADA seal. Key ingredients: cetylpyridinium chloride, chlorhexidine, or essential oils. Swish the recommended amount for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't dilute unless instructed. Spit it out and avoid eating or drinking for 30 minutes to let it work. Mouthwash isn't a substitute for brushing or flossing, but it's a powerful supplement. Use it once or twice a day after brushing and flossing. It helps reach areas you might miss and keeps your breath fresh. Make mouthwash part of your daily routine for extra protection. Now let's explore some natural methods. Oil pulling is an ancient practice making a modern comeback. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10-15 minutes, then spit it in the trash. Coconut oil's lauric acid has antimicrobial properties that may help reduce bacteria. Do this before brushing, on an empty stomach. Don't swallow the oil, it's full of trapped bacteria. Rinse with water, then brush and floss as usual. Oil pulling is a supplement, not a replacement for brushing and flossing. Some people report whiter teeth and fresher breath. It's safe to try, but stick to your regular oral care routine. Curious? Give it a shot and see if it works for you. Crunchy fruits and veggies are nature's toothbrushes. Apples, carrots, celery, and cucumbers help scrub away plaque as you chew. Their fibrous texture cleans teeth and stimulates saliva, your mouth's natural defense. Saliva washes away food particles and neutralizes acids. Celery's stringy texture can even act like natural floss. Carrots provide vitamin A for strong enamel. Swap sugary snacks for crunchy produce to clean teeth and boost health. These foods don't feed plaque-causing bacteria like sugar does. They're an easy, tasty way to support your oral hygiene between brushings. Keep them handy for snacks at home or work. Remember, they supplement, not replace, brushing and flossing. Every little bit helps keep your mouth clean. Next, let's look at a simple DIY cleaning method. Baking soda is a gentle, effective way to boost your oral care. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to make a paste. Brush gently with it once or twice a week to remove surface stains and plaque. Baking soda's mild abrasiveness disrupts plaque and raises mouth pH, making it less friendly for bacteria. Don't use it daily. It lacks fluoride, which protects enamel. Always follow up with your regular fluoride toothpaste. If you notice sensitivity, cut back or stop and consult your dentist. Baking soda is a great occasional deep clean, not a replacement for daily brushing. Simple, affordable, and effective. Just use it wisely. Now let's talk about prevention. Preventing plaque starts with your diet. What you eat and drink every day has a direct impact on your oral health, and making smart choices can make a big difference in keeping your teeth strong and healthy. Bacteria love sugar and starch. They turn them into acid that attacks your enamel. This acid is what causes cavities and weakens your teeth over time, making it even more important to be mindful of what you consume. The more often you snack on sweets or sip sugary drinks, the more acid attacks your teeth. Frequent snacking gives bacteria more fuel, so your teeth are under constant assault, especially if you graze throughout the day. Limit sugary and starchy foods, especially between meals. Instead, reach for healthier snacks like fresh fruits, vegetables or nuts, which are less likely to feed harmful bacteria. Read labels. Sugar hides in many foods. Even foods that don't taste sweet like bread or pasta sauce can contain added sugars, so it's important to check ingredient lists and nutrition facts. If you indulge, do it with meals and rinse your mouth with water afterward. Eating sweets with a meal helps reduce the impact of sugar, and water helps wash away leftover particles and acids. Water is the best drink for your teeth. Skip sodas and sweetened drinks. Not only does water keep you hydrated, but it also helps rinse away food debris and keeps your mouth cleaner throughout the day. Use a straw to reduce contact with teeth if you do have something sweet. This simple trick can help minimize the amount of sugar that touches your teeth, lowering the risk of decay. Cutting sugar starves plaque-causing bacteria and protects your smile. Over time, you'll notice your teeth feel cleaner, and you'll reduce your risk of cavities and gum disease. Combine smart eating with good oral hygiene for best results. Brush and floss regularly, and remember that your daily habits add up to a lifetime of healthy teeth. Prevention is powerful. Make it part of your daily routine. Small changes like choosing water over soda or reading food labels can have a big impact on your dental health. By being mindful of your diet and making healthy choices every day, you're taking important steps to protect your teeth and keep your smile bright for years to come. You now have 7 powerful DIY tips to fight plaque and protect your smile. Consistency is everything. Build these habits into your daily routine. Remember, at-home care is your first defense, but regular dental visits are essential. Dentists can remove tartar and catch problems early. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Share your own tips or questions in the comments below. Stay healthy and keep smiling.